Welcome to TAIBAH'S lab. Today we're going to do an experiment with the milk and food color. First we need milk, cotton bud, plate, food color, and dishwashing soap. First, we pour the milk carefully. Then we use a little 1 drop of food color. Then we take the cotton bud and put in the soap. Now let's see what happened. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! What happened? It's like fireworks. Do you know why it's happening? Because the molecule of the milk and molecule of the soap makes a chemical reaction. That's all about this experiment. See you next time. Assalamualaikum. Peace be upon you. Bye.